Outdated processes are killing your growth. You've got a solid business. However, if your workflows still rely on emails, Excel sheets, and manual approvals, you're bleeding time and profit. Manual processes are the invisible bottleneck in growing companies. They slow down decision-making, hide accountability, and open the door to costly mistakes, causing profit loss. Growth isn't just about sales, it's about structure. If your internal engine isn't streamlined, you'll stall, no matter how big your opportunity. GoGlobe builds custom digital ecosystems after your process analysis, automating workflows, simplifying approvals, and providing real-time visibility, so nothing slips through the cracks. No more email chaos, no more manual tracking, just clear, structured, automated operations. Whether it's HR, procurement, client services, or finance, your team works faster, smarter, and more aligned. Enterprises across the globe are ditching outdated systems and replacing them with smart digital platforms built to scale. It's time to stop patching problems and start building the right system, because your growth deserves better than guesswork. GoGlobe will help you automate what slows you down. Upgrade, compete, win. Start your transformation today and lead the market.